In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove anything from a photo using Nano Banana. By the end, you'll know exactly how to clean up unwanted objects in a picture with a simple, repeatable workflow that looks natural and seamless. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This is just the quickest way to get to the right tool without memorizing any links. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. You're looking for the official Gemini site from Google. Once you see it, click through to open the app. The interface looks like a chat window, and we'll use it to run Nano Banana, the feature that powers the removal process. Inside Gemini, locate the Create Image option and click it. That button activates Nano Banana behind the scenes, giving you access to the visual editing features we need. Next, click the plus sign to upload your reference image. Choose a clear, high-resolution photo in a common format like JPG or PNG. The better the quality, the more convincingly the background will be reconstructed where the object is removed. If possible, pick a version without heavy compression artifacts or motion blur, as those can confuse any fill-in steps. Now it's time to write your prompt. Think of this as your set of instructions for Nano Banana. Be specific about what should be removed and what must stay unchanged. For example, you could say, remove the two men who are jumping from the image, keeping the background and other elements intact. Make the area look natural and seamless where they were removed. That structure works well. Identify the subjects to remove, name the surroundings to preserve, and ask for a seamless, natural result. If it helps, mention details like maintaining lighting, shadows, reflections, or textures so the edit blends convincingly. With your prompt ready, click Submit. The tool will process the image and generate an edited version with the unwanted elements removed. Give the result a careful look. Check edges, patterns, and fine details like lines on walls, textures on the ground, or repeating objects in the background. If you spot smudges, repeating textures, or odd blurs, refine your prompt in plain language. For instance, you might add reconstruct the horizon line cleanly or preserve the brick pattern to guide a cleaner fill. Submitting again with a sharper prompt often resolves small artifacts. That's all there is to it. Go to Google, find Google Gemini, click Create Image to activate Nano Banana, upload your reference photo, write a clear prompt, and submit. With a few rounds of thoughtful prompting, you can remove almost anything while keeping your photo looking natural.